Hello Sagittarius, this is your bi-weekly reading for the last 15 days of May. So let's check out with your energy. So we have a 5 of Wands. So maybe this is like a inner conflicts, mental conflicts, thoughts conflicts that you have, or maybe you simply have a lot of arguments with your near and dear ones, right? So lot of conflicts in your life. So let's check out your partner's love energy. Nine of Swords. So your partner is not able to sleep, lot of anxiety, stress. So situation of both of you is like not that much good because you are like having a lot of arguments or stress or whatever conflicts, and your partner is stressing because of this situation. They are not able to sleep. They're having a lot of stress. So let's check out your energy. Your partner have two nines, nine of swords, and the bottom of deck, nine of wands. But after all this anxiety, they still want to fight for this connection, right? So let's check out your love energy. So we have the queen of wands. You are very confident. You are like very beautiful. You are in your energy, or little bit intuitive also. You know that what's going on behind the scenes. So this is like a, you are very confident, beautiful, attractive personality that you have. No matter conflicts going on in your life, you are representing that you are very much okay and fine, right? So let's see your partner's energy. I'm not taking that much cards, just one card from your partner's side. So what we have? We have eight of swords. So they are like stuck. They are feeling trapped. They are having a lot of fears regarding this connection. So they are trapped into their own mind. So some sort of a mental trap, that is a illusion. This is not the reality, but they are trapped into some sort of a fears. So let's see your energy, your love energy towards your partner. Page of Pentacles. You do want to offer them something, but this is just a page, maybe a simply text message or something. This is just a starting. This is just a immature kind of energy, but you do want to offer them something, but that is like just a starting phase. So let's see your partner's energy, your partner's love energy towards you. Three of swords. So they are, see, they have a nine of sword, eight of sword, three of sword, lot of swords. So this person is really thinking a lot of negative thoughts into their mind, lot of pain, anxiety, stressful situation they are going through. They are feeling stuck. They are feeling the pain, maybe of because of a third party situation. But this is like a pain that your partner is going through. So let me see the final outcome of your connection. Final outcome of your connection. So what you have Hierophant and the Two of Pentacles. Hierophant means marriage card, or this is something like higher level of commitment that you both share. So you both are like maybe married or higher level of commitment that you both are in, right? Two of Pentacle is like you both are still juggling between something is like unbalanced. You both try to balance this connection, but still this is like round and round, some sort of a circle that is keep going on in your life, right? So this is like a also a sign of infinity, some sort of a cycle that is still going on and on, right? So this is your reading. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.